Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy coleslaw. Start by shredding green and red cabbage finely, then grate a carrot and toss them together in a large bowl. Make a light dressing from plain yogurt, apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Combine and chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving. Use crunchy vegetables and smart swaps for a lighter coleslaw. Choose mostly cabbage, add carrot and thinly sliced apple for sweetness and texture. Swap mayonnaise for Greek yogurt or half yogurt and half avocado to cut calories without losing creaminess. Add bright acid like apple cider vinegar or lemon juice and a touch of mustard for balance, then season with salt, pepper, and optional fresh herbs before chilling to let flavors develop. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling fresh and bold. It pairs humorously with coleslaw transport when you're hauling picnic containers to the park. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Texture and timing make all the difference in coleslaw. Dry shredded cabbage well to prevent a watery salad by salting briefly and squeezing out excess moisture. Toasted seeds like sunflower or pumpkin add crunch and nutrition, and thinly sliced green onion or fennel give a mild bite. Serve chilled as a side for grilled proteins, in sandwiches, or as a light lunch with whole grains, and garnish with a little lemon zest for brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.